When we started the program in 2010, there were not many programs that were doing this. I thought it was important for our students to learn how to work on new music.
And you had the foresight, really, of knowing how big it was going to get. This has become the golden age of American opera. New music has just exploded to where it's in all facets of a performance career. Her vision from the very beginning has always been students first.
Students have the opportunity to work with some of the most famous composers in the country. That gives them an education that they can't get anywhere else.
Giving them the exposure and a leg up in their performance career.
My experience so far has been a really exciting time of learning music very quickly and then having wonderful in-depth conversations with the composer.
They get to be the first interpreters of a work.
They have input on what's being created.
Being able to express myself as an artist through these conversations is really, really quite important.
I'm also proud that we can contribute to what composers want to do with their works. And they can see it staged or hear it sung.
Composers come and compose while they're here and want to go deeper into character development.
My name is Kamala Sankaram, and I am the composer of Joan of the City. This production is unique in several ways. We are really pushing at what opera is and what it can be. Having the input from the CU students has been so invaluable to the process because they are thinking like actors as well as musicians. And so it's really been this important generative process.
You've got all of these different facets of the program. You have the innovation, and you have the professional connections and exposure. You have the skill set that we're teaching our students. It is the shining jewel of the College of Music.